Welcome back to Frugal and Outdoors. Today we're going to take a foggy headlight and clean it in just a few minutes without a high expense. All we need is some rubbing alcohol, rubbing compound. Now you pick this up for around $10 to $12 at any parts store. I've already had this on the shelf, so I'm not out of any money. And then a clean terry cloth. Now if you have one of them buffers will be real good. So we're going to do it first with the terry cloth, and then we're going to follow up and do it with the buffer just to show you the difference. There's not much difference, but it makes it just a little bit better. So first step is we're going to clean it with the alcohol. Now I made the mistake and tried this with the bug spray. It looked good for about 10 minutes and then it fogged right over. And if you look through here, you could see where it ran and made it nasty. So just use the alcohol and clean all the excess dirt, road grime, and everything off of there. Next, take your rubbing compound. I know I'm starting to get out in the sun a little bit, but I parked this in the shade so it wouldn't be excessively hot. It's best to put it in the shade so the compound doesn't dry really fast. So, I'll take the compound on a clean piece of the towel and put it on a pretty thick. Just rub it on. I'll spread it around all around the whole thing. Rub it in real good. And then, boom. Take a clean spot and rub it really hard. What you're trying to do is get that compound into the little grooves of that yellow light. It already looks a whole lot better. So I'm going to do it one more time by hand and see how much better I can get it. Take another blob there. I'm going to rub it in. I'm going to try to get it around where they got scarred from the bug spray, which was a mistake. Don't do that to your headlights. I made the mistake and I won't do it again. Put it on there and rub it in real good. Alright, make sure you get all the edges, full coverage, and then get you a dry, clean part of your cloth. Come on guys, I'm trying to make a video. Chickens, sorry. And then rub it real good. And I also have a helicopter. And there we have it. See how much better that looks? So now we're going to do with the buffer. I'm going to apply a heavy coat on top of this and see if it makes it any better. I'm expecting it to be a little bit better, but not a whole lot. But you don't have to use muscle. I'm putting the compound on real thick, rubbing it in a circle. Get good complete coverage. I'm going to give it just a minute and I'll plug in the buffer. Well, here it goes. I'm going to try it. Whoop, get them unplugged. There we go. We haven't made a whole lot of difference with the buffer, so you can do it by hand without a buffer. Just makes it a little bit easier if you have a buffer. There you have it. Brightening up your yellowed out headlights in just 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends. See you next time.